How to see my purchase history on Temu app. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see your purchase history on your Temu app. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up your app store and then search for Temu. If you don't have the app, you can simply download it from here as well. If you already have the app, if you see an update option available, tap on update and update it. After you do that, simply open up your Temu app. After you open your Temu app, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, tap on View section that is on the bottom. And after you do that, go to your orders. Now under orders, you will be able to see your purchase history by simply going on to the delivered section. Now under here, you will see all of your uh, items that have been delivered to you by Temu. And that is basically your Temu history. So here you can see all of the products that you have purchased. You can even check your ship section if you have not yet received your product. So yeah, that is basically how you see your purchase history on Temu. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like down below too. Thanks for watching.